Our brains are intricate networks buzzing with activity. This activity arises from billions of neurons, the fundamental units of the nervous system. These neurons communicate using electrical signals, a phenomenon we call neural electricity. Imagine a vast network of wires, each carrying tiny pulses of electricity. Neurons maintain a difference in electrical charge across their cell membranes. When a neuron receives a strong signal, it triggers an electrical impulse called an action potential. This impulse travels down the neuron's axon like a spark along a fuse. This electrical signal is the language of the brain, allowing neurons to communicate and transmit information. Neurons don't directly touch each other. Instead, they communicate across tiny gaps called synapses. When an action potential reaches the end of an axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters cross the synapse and bind to receptors on the receiving neuron. Think of neurotransmitters as keys and receptors as locks. When the right key meets the right lock, it unlocks a specific response in the receiving neuron. This response can either excite the neuron, making it more likely to fire its own action potential, or inhibit it, making it less likely to fire. This intricate dance of electrical and chemical signaling allows for complex communication between neurons. Each neurotransmitter has a specific role to play, influencing a wide range of brain functions, from mood and sleep to learning and memory. Imbalances in neurotransmitters can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to various neurological and psychiatric disorders. Our understanding of neural electricity has come a long way thanks to groundbreaking experiments. One milestone was the Hodgkin-Huxley model, developed in the 1950s. It described the flow of ions across the neuron's membrane during an action potential. This model revolutionized our understanding, earning them the Nobel Prize in 1963. Techniques to measure single neuron activity were another breakthrough. Implanting tiny electrodes allowed researchers to eavesdrop on individual neurons. These studies laid the foundation for modern neuroscience and new treatments for neurological disorders. Section 4. The Adaptable Brain, Neuroplasticity and its Implications. The brain is not a static organ but a dynamic, ever-changing entity. Throughout our lives, our brains constantly rewire themselves in response to our experiences, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. This remarkable ability allows us to learn new skills, form memories, and adapt to new environments. During learning, connections between neurons strengthen or weaken depending on the frequency and timing of their activity. This process, known as synaptic plasticity, is thought to be the cellular basis of learning and memory. Neuroplasticity also plays a crucial role in recovery from brain injuries. When one area of the brain is damaged, other areas can sometimes compensate for the lost function by forming new connections. This remarkable ability of the brain to adapt and rewire itself offers hope for treating a wide range of neurological disorders and improving cognitive function throughout life. Section 5. From Neurons to Behavior, Unraveling the Mysteries of Human Actions. The electrical activity of neurons may seem like a far cry from our everyday experiences, but it ultimately underlies all of our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. By studying neural activity, we can gain insights into the biological basis of human behavior. One fascinating example of this connection is the discovery of mirror neurons. These specialized neurons fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else performing the same action. This finding suggests that mirror neurons may play a role in empathy, imitation, and social cognition. By understanding how neural circuits give rise to complex behaviors, we can develop new ways to treat behavioral disorders and enhance human capabilities. Section 6. A Glimpse into the Future. Technological Advancements in the Brain. Advancements in technology are rapidly accelerating our understanding of the brain and its electrical language. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are a prime example. These devices allow individuals with paralysis to control prosthetic limbs or computers with their thoughts by decoding neural activity. Neuromodulation therapies, such as deep brain stimulation, also known as DBS, are another promising area of research. DBS involves implanting electrodes in specific brain regions to modulate neural activity and alleviate symptoms of Parkinson's disease, epilepsy, and other neurological disorders. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of neural electricity, we open up new frontiers in medicine and technology. The potential benefits are vast, from treating debilitating diseases to enhancing human capabilities. However, with these advancements come ethical considerations about the responsible use of such powerful technologies.